This video translation into many language. You can find your language in the translation sections.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will share with you how to grow a beard naturally with onion and olive oil at home. Vertical bar 100% working at home. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, first we need onion for grow beard. Onion juice actually stimulates any kind of hair growth, be it beard or hair. For a patchy beard, I don't suppose it would be such a good idea to rely on onion juice alone unless you have large no-growth areas on your face. Onion juice helps in growing hair where hair is absent but the follicles exist. It is more widely used for baldness rather than patchy beard. Many people I know have shown improvement from complete baldness at certain spots of their head by just rubbing onion or applying onion juice. Second, we need cumin seeds. Cumin seeds increasing our beard. Black seed provides a rich supply of polyunsaturated fatty acids. These ingredients play a key role in daily health and wellness. They help to regulate the metabolism, carry toxins to the skin's surface for elimination, balance insulin levels, regulate cholesterol, improve body circulation, and promote healthy liver function. A deficiency in polyunsaturated fatty acids can lead to a wide number of health problems including nervous system disorders, uninhibited growths, and skin diseases. Third, we need green tea leaves. Green tea is categorized under anti-androgenic. Since beards are androgenic hair, green tea will help you. What effect the growth of the beard has is the level of testosterone in man, and green tea reduces this effect when orally consumed. Drinking green tea will lower the levels of testosterone in your body and reduce its effect on your hair. It will only work for hair growth and beard growth. Needless to say, you should know that the hair in your head is quite different from. Last, we need olive oil for beard grow. Beard oils are probably the most important beard grooming product every bearded man should have. It is also the most expensive. Therefore, many men seek cheaper alternatives to pre-made beard oils. One popular alternative is olive oil. Olive oil is also rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. It contains antioxidants such as hydroxytyrosol, tyrosol, and oleurope. These compounds give it its healing properties. Mix it swell. We have to mix it swell. Ready for use on your beard. How to use: apply on beard and leave 1 hour. After 1 hour, rinse beard by normal water. Do it 3 times per week. Apply 3 to 4 weeks for good result. Hope you enjoy and share this video and hope this recipe work for you. Please help our channel reach 100k subscriber. Don't forget to like and comment below. Thank you so much for watching.